I'm sure you've heard the news. Spider silk is more than just strong. Spider silk isn't just strong. It's amazingly elastic too. Some spider webs can stretch several times their original size without breaking. That's right, stretch like a rubber band. And get this, it's tougher than steel by weight. Imagine that. But wait, there's more. Scientists are using spider silk to develop new materials, like super strong medical sutures that dissolve naturally. Even biodegradable fishing lines. And in the future, we might see spider silk in bulletproof vests, or as a new way to deliver medicine. So next time you see a spider in its web, remember, it's not just a creepy crawler. It's nature's genius engineer. Stay tuned for more on the wonders of the natural world. Like and subscribe for part 3.